Welcome to NKC Spotlight. Before starting with today's episode, we would like to offer our sincere gratitude to our Principal Professor Dr. Maushmi Datta for giving us the idea to start our podcast, our Vice Principal and Internal Quality Assurance Cell Coordinator, Professor Dr. Mona Mehta, for helping us to make this podcast come into existence. This podcast is hosted by the Department of Multimedia and Mass Communication, the NKC Spotlight. What happens when enthusiasm meets experience? The one enlightened with wisdom stands before the raw, unfiltered questions of beginners. In this very episode, we are going to have a conversation that bridges those two worlds. With the very lead and organizers of TEDx NKC, we welcome Virag and Shreyanshi for our TEDx NKC special episode on NKC Spotlight. Every year's TEDx has been really insightful and exciting. Every theme with every passing year has been special from the previous one. And we are excitedly looking forward to know about the special theme about this year.
So absolutely, every year's theme has been extremely thought-provoking and inspiring. And every year's theme has sparked conversations. And in the very similar way, the theme for this year will be Beyond the Ordinary.
Wonderful. Would you like to speak something about it?
When I speak about Beyond the Ordinary, I think we had so many suggestions from the team. We were flooded with 200, 250, just taglines, let's do this, that. But I think the importance of Beyond the Ordinary has a lot to say in itself. When I speak about Beyond the Ordinary, it's just a word and a mindset in itself. So it's great.
Amazing. I'm sure that TEDx NKC 2025 will be beyond the ordinary.
Exactly.
So you spoke about the theme that is beyond the ordinary. So what is the significance of this theme and how do you think this theme is going to carry forward the legacy of TEDx NKC?
So I think this is the third edition for TEDx NKC, and when I see this, in the last 2 years we had that base that we used to make something, we were developing something, and this is the third year where we understood that we can do a lot together. And all the departments, all the committee members from various streams are coming together, and the significance is very simple. There are so many people out there who are ready to dare for something, right? There are so many people whom we see that they have done a lot of things in that domain, and that is the only reason we chose this theme, that Beyond the Ordinary. And TEDx NKC cannot be just normal, it can be beyond the ordinary.
Like Virag mentioned already, we just want to make sure that the event is extraordinary and the speakers that we have in panel, in general TEDx speakers are beyond the ordinary because they have done something in their life. So that is the main motto behind the whole thing.
So it's a great initiative and you're giving a good platform to all those who are going beyond the ordinary.
Exactly.
So now since we know the theme and its significance, I'm sure our audience cannot wait to know about the guest speakers who are coming. So would you like to share something about our esteemed guest speaker without giving the spoiler, but who are coming on the campus to enlighten the students?
I think you should take this. She's the one.
Alright, so I won't be revealing the names, but as far as the professions are concerned, we have someone who's coming in from USA. He is a 15-year-old young advocate. He's also a writer and musician from Seattle. We also have an IAS officer, ex-RBI officer, and she's also an author and also from the creative background. We also have an entrepreneur coming in from Hyderabad who is the founder of Udo Now, and he's also a TEDx speaker. We also have a lawyer turned into a life and mindset coach, and she's right now helping people in their personal lives through the life coaching, workshops and etc. We also have a Kathak enthusiastic, and she's an educator. So basically she's a very well-trained Kathak classical dancer, and she's right now taking classes, workshops etc. for the same.
So you have guests from all the different fields
Five different domains.
So as we said, we wanted to do something different. In the last 2 years, we couldn't get any female, TED speakers. Maybe last year we did. Somehow we couldn't, get her on board. This year, I don't know how, but fortunately we had lots and lots of nominations into female TED speakers. And, I think this year we have 3. Three female speakers and 2 male
We
speakers.
had like more than 30, 40 female nominations this year. Males are different, but female nominations.
So the lineup of the guests look really exciting, and I'm personally looking forward for this event.
So are we.
So you mentioned about that you are working with people from different departments and streams. I guess arranging these events take a lot of effort and a bunch of volunteers to come and organize it, which also provides a lot of real world experience and learning. So what do you think this year's team TEDx NKC, what learning are you going to take from this event?
I think there's lots and lots of learning through TEDx, especially. We do a lot of events the year round, but when I talk about TEDx specifically, we are talking to people out there who are actually experienced and out in the field. It was not just 4 or 5 of them. There were like 50 to 60 people we spoke to, right? We had meetings with them. We had a lot and lots of like sessions with them where they told us a lot of things about their domains, and also we curated ideas for them. When I talk about volunteers also, I think there's a lot to say in just one event. When we talk about events, it's not just about, getting people, it's more about, how we can make it meaningful, right? At the same time, how we can actually pitch in the right way and get the best outcome. And I think TEDx is the best platform where we understood how from curating ideas to getting people on board and, getting vendors out there, getting sorted is one thing. And together we did a lot of, hard work in this.
Like he already mentioned everything almost, but so basically all the year around we are doing informal events through and through. TEDx is the very formal event which goes global, gives a very, very, very wide scope for everyone to learn, be it communication, because each of the speaker curation member is talking to like 10,000 different people that will you be interested whatsoever. So the confidence, the communication, the negotiating power, everything gets very strong. And we, as a formal event, as a global event, they have a lot of learning that goes around through and through because of the event.
So that's a whole lot of skills and experience you're taking away from this. Now that we know about the theme as well as the wonderful guest speakers coming on the campus, I'm sure our audience cannot wait to know when is this event happening exactly. So can you please share the date?
So the event is on 12th of July happening in Nagidas Khanwala College Auditorium from 9:30 a.m. onwards, and we hope to see you all there.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Virag and Shreyanshi, for being here. I'm looking forward for this event and to see the auditorium full.
Same.